Finally.
I don't know if you land lovers know this, but out that way, there is no land. That is complete ocean, which would have been dark half an hour ago. And now, it's a shit ton of lights.
Yeah, look at the boats.
That's all boats. We took a photo with us out once. That's all boats there, buddy. Think how many wharfs gotta come out of here. Woods Harbor, Bear Point. These are the people crossing over us now. And we get all their damn red lights. Here we are. Loaded traps. Two gizzards. Making our way slowly and safely. There's already been a small amount of trouble. Someone kind of smooth, not much wind, a little bit of roll. Wow. Bait's still half decent, nice and smelly. Huh? That's all, that's all. Looking for a buoy. There's still some down here below too. They're still coming out. See, we have to give way to all these boats which have red lights on them. We've slowed down. You got the right of way, buddy. Go ahead. Go to his stern part.
Well, there's another one below him.
Yeah, you can make it between them. There you go, see?